Buckle up because today's AI advancements will blow your circuits. Imagine an AI that paints better than Picasso, writes songs like The Weeknd, or even directs entire movies. Well, guess what? It's already happening. AI like Midjourney and ChatGPT can now create masterpieces in seconds. But does this mean human creativity is at risk? Meet Mecha, the most advanced humanoid robot. It can talk, express emotions, and even learn from conversations. From customer service to factory work, AI-powered robots are replacing millions of jobs. But will AI replace you? The scariest part? AI is now developing reasoning skills. It can argue, solve complex problems, and even manipulate conversations. With AGI, artificial general intelligence, on the horizon, AI might soon surpass human intelligence. The question is, will AI be our best friend or our biggest threat? AI is no longer science fiction. It's here and it's changing everything. From medicine to finance to entertainment, AI is shaping the future. So what do you think? Is AI making life easier, or are we headed for a dangerous future? Comment below. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane tech updates, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out.